Picture this. You're deep in the wilderness, but your tent sets itself up, your campfire cooks dinner for you, and your sleeping bag charges your phone. No, this isn't a fantasy. It's 2025's hottest camping tech, and these gadgets are breaking the internet right now. Let's explore 10 revolutionary tools transforming outdoor adventures. Next up, the AI Campfire Grill. Gordon Ramsay meets robotics. This smart grill uses LiDAR sensors and infrared cameras to analyze food thickness, then adjusts 36 microburners for perfect sear marks. Its AI chef, Camp E, learns your preferences. Type medium rare steak, and it'll nail 135 degrees every time. But here's the kicker. The catalytic converter reduces smoke by 92%, so no more smelling like a burnt marshmallow. Backcountry chefs are raving. One Kickstarter reviewer said, "It cooked salmon so perfectly, bears tried to steal it." The grill even has a bear deterrent mode that emits high-frequency sounds to keep wildlife away. And for cleanup? The detachable griddle plate is dishwasher safe with a non-stick coating tougher than NASA's space shuttle tiles. For navigation nerds, the holographic camping watch is pure wizardry. This NATO strap wearable projects 3D topographic maps, updated via satellite every 15 minutes, and uses Doppler radar to predict storms 90 minutes out. Its night vision mode overlays trails in AR with 1080p clarity, while the 200-lumen SOS beacon alerts rescuers within 12 miles. But the real showstopper, the avalanche risk algorithm that analyzes snowpack density and slope angles in real time. Search teams in the Rockies credit it with cutting rescue times by 40%. A viral video shows a hiker using its avalanche risk alerts to reroute seconds before a slide buried his original path. With a sapphire glass face and 30-day battery life, it's the ultimate survival tech. Now, the self-charging sleeping bag, where survival meets sustainability. Using piezoelectric threads woven into its lining, it converts body movement into 15 watts of power, enough to charge a phone twice overnight. But during emergencies, its rescue boost mode prioritizes medical devices like satellite messengers or defibrillators. The aerogel insulation, originally designed for Mars rovers, keeps you warm at 20 degrees while generating power, and the water-resistant outer shell shrugs off rain like a duck's back. After climber Emma Wilson used it to keep her GPS alive during a Patagonia storm, Outside Magazine called it the most innovative sleep system since the sleeping bag itself. Oh, and it's machine washable, unlike most high-tech gear. Pro tip, pair it with the holographic watch and you've got an unstoppable survival combo. Let's talk hydration hacks. The portable water from air condenser is like having a cloud in your backpack. Using thermoelectric cooling, powered by the Peltier effect, and hydrophilic nanofibers thinner than human hair, it extracts 1.3 hour from air as dry as percent humidity, enough to fill a hydration bladder while you hike. The graphene oxide filter traps 99.99% of microplastics, bacteria, and even viruses tested in the Gobi Desert, where it outperformed Los Angeles' municipal water in purity tests. Survival legend Les Stroud used it during his 10-day solo trek in Arizona's Sonoran Desert, saying, "This isn't just gear, it's a lifesaver." Weighing just 2.3 cells and solar rechargeable, it's a hit with ultralight hikers. REI sold out twice since May. Next, the foldable lantern, the Swiss Army knife of camping tech. Unfold its origami-inspired titanium arms for a Huawei 200-lumen LED light with adjustable hues, amber for bug-free evenings, cool white for prepping meals. Detach the magnetic base and it transforms into a drone with 4K 60 FPS recording, 25-minute flight time, and thermal imaging accurate to plus 0.5 degrees. Wildlife photographers are obsessed. At Outdoor Lens captured a rare albino moose at dusk using its night vision mode. a clip that trended globally with 7M views. But here's the kicker. The ultrasonic mosquito repeller emits 35 to 45 kHz frequencies, creating a 20-foot no-fly zone. A TikTok experiment showed 98% fewer bites versus DEET sprays, with users joking, "Geeters look like they'd rather starve than cross this force field." Say goodbye to stiff necks with the smart camping pillow, where luxury meets neuroscience. Its micro-sensor-studded memory foam adapts to your spine's curvature in real time, while twin Harman Kardon or Bluetooth speakers play binaural beats, scientifically proven to boost REM sleep by 22%. The phase-change gel layer uses NASA-inspired tech to lock in 55 degrees Celsius coolness during heat waves and retain warmth at 20 degrees Celsius. Parents are raving about lullaby mode, gentle vibrations and white noise that knocked out fussy toddlers in 8 minutes during a viral YouTube stress test. With over 15K Amazon reviews praising its machine-washable, hypoallergenic bamboo cover, it's become the #1 gift for glamping newbies. Pro tip: pair it with the tent's AC for hotel-quality sleep under the stars. Now, the transparent fire pit, Instagram's hottest obsession. Its borosilicate glass walls, the same material as astronaut helmet visors, withstand 1,600 degrees, showcasing AI-generated flame patterns like northern lights or volcano burst via app control. The secondary combustion chamber burns 40% less wood while emitting 80% less smoke, and the built-in air wash system keeps the glass spotless. But campers are getting creative. At Zen Camp Life hosted a fire yoga session where dancers moved to flames synced with lo-fi beats, a reel that amassed 4.2 M views. UL certified for fire-prone areas, it's even approved by California's Wildfire Safety Board. Oh, and chefs love its optional grill grate for open-fire cooking without the cleanup. As one buyer quipped, "It's like Netflix for fire, you pick the show." Foodies meet the solar-powered cooler with Blender, the ultimate outdoor kitchen that's rewriting camp cuisine. Its vacuum-insulated walls lined with NASA-grade aerogel keep ice frozen for 8 days even in 90-degree heat, perfect for week-long expeditions. The detachable blender isn't just powerful, what's Allen 200-watt Vitamixer grade motor, it's solar savvy. A foldable 40-baller panel charges it in 2 hours, letting you crush ice for margaritas or puree soups while hiking. But here's the genius. The AI recipe app scans your groceries via phone cam. Type trout plus wild onions, and it generates a step-by-step guide for campfire ceviche, adjusting for altitude and cookware. Chef Jose Andres tested it in Utah's Canyonlands, calling it a Michelin star kitchen that fits in your trunk. Netflix's Chef's Table featured it in their Wilderness episode, showing a 3-course meal prepped entirely off-grid. Bonus: the built-in power bank charges phones and runs a mini fridge for meds. Over 8K RV owners swear by it. Last but not least, the Wearable Bug Repellent Bracelet, a sci-fi force field against nature's annoyances. This sleek titanium band emits 40 to 45 kHz ultrasonic pulses that overwhelm mosquitoes' chemosensors, paired with UV light mimicking dragonfly wings to confuse their navigation. Johns Hopkins clinical trials, now number 500, showed 99% effectiveness against ticks and 97% against no-see-ums over 12-hour periods. But the real proof? The Johnson family tested it in Florida's Everglades. Their TikTok side-by-side showed bite-free arms versus 27 bites without it, 3.1 million views in 48 hours. And it's not just for bugs. The bracelet's waterproof flashlight boasts 300 lumens, adjustable to SOS strobe, and lasts 72 hours on a charge. Campers are even using it as a safety beacon. One reviewer followed its glow back to camp after getting lost in fog. If any of these blew your mind, drop a comment with your favorite, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want more insane outdoor tech.